Stratasys Customer Hub provides easy access to information you need to manage your printers and consumables, such as materials and spare parts. In the hub, you can also submit a ticket, find online resources, access support, and more. In the My Printers page, you can view all your printers and you can set a filter to look for a specific one. Take advantage of the nickname feature to easily identify your printers. By clicking on a specific printer, you can see information from it, including data such as printer utilization and material usage, materials, spare parts for your printer, and your printer's service history. From the support page, you can submit a ticket. By submitting a ticket, a new case appears in the support page in the Open Cases table. Here, you can also review other open cases you might have. By clicking on a specific case, you can view the details of the case and the communication on it, and you can add a comment, which will be sent to our support team. In the Resources and Information page, you can deep dive into documentation and videos. Here, you can learn and acquire skills on your printer, read case studies, view applications, and more. The resources also help you troubleshoot issues. For additional information, click on the FAQs. It's on this page that you can download the Customer Hub user guide, which provides additional details on how to get the support you need. We are sure you will find the Stratasys Customer Hub useful in your journey in additive manufacturing with Stratasys.